Hello and welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest updates in the world of electric vehicles. Today, we have some exciting news about Tesla's top-selling Model Y, which is getting a revamp. According to sources, the project is codenamed Project Juniper and will involve changes to both the exterior and interior of the vehicle. In this video, we'll dive deeper into the details and what this means for Tesla and the electric vehicle market. Tesla's Model Y has been a top seller in California, China, and Europe since its launch in 2020. With increasing competition in the EV market, it's important for Tesla to keep its best-selling vehicle fresh. The revamp of the Model Y, scheduled to start production in 2024, is part of Tesla's plan to offer new versions of its top-selling models over the next 2 years. The changes to the Model Y will mean production and supply changes for a car now in production across all of Tesla's major hubs, the United States, China, and Germany. Tesla has already been working on a revamped version of its Model 3 sedan, codenamed Highland, and is retooling its Shanghai assembly plant for the production of the new model. Project Juniper will deepen Tesla's already massive production cost advantages over the competition. The leading EV maker has faced increasing competitive pressure in China, its second-largest market behind the United States, and is aiming to cut production costs and boost the appeal of its electric sedans. Tesla has asked suppliers for quotes for exterior and interior components that will be used in the Project Juniper version of the Model Y. The projected start of production is October 2024, according to one of the sources. It's not immediately clear how sweeping the revamp will be or what specific changes or improvements Tesla is looking to deliver with the new Model Y. But one thing is for sure, as the global EV sales leader, the Model Y has a target on its back, and Tesla needs to keep up with the increasing options for EV buyers. What do you think about the revamp of the Model Y? Do you think it's necessary for Tesla to keep its best-selling vehicle fresh, or should they focus on introducing new models? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you want more updates in the world of electric vehicles. If you want more like this video, here is also a video we think might suit you.